this is Ben with Dr. Shrink, and today we're going to quickly go over the different sizes zipper access doors that we have available and how to properly install them. So first we have our 30 by 36 zipper access door. Next to it you have your 30 by 48 zipper access door, and then next to this one you have your 36 by 48 zipper access door. Now when installing these doors, you want to install them after your cover is completely shrunk. And how you install them, once you pick out the proper area that you want to install them on, keeping in mind that you do not want to have anything behind it that you might cut when you cut out your excess shrink wrap. What you do is you place your door over your cover, then you take your tape and you want to take your entire perimeter of your zipper access door, as we commonly call window painting. Once that's done, you'll notice that the front of the zipper access door has a plastic flap. So if I have taped on this cover, I'm simply going to unzip my zipper access door, fold it back, take your shrink wrap knife, and cut out the excess film that you do not want underneath your zipper access door, which will allow you to have access to what's underneath your cover.